Remember libraries, those dusty buildings full of books? Before the internet, that's where we had to go for information. It was a simpler time, really, a time when surfing the web meant you were at the beach with a particularly large newspaper. And if you wanted to talk to someone far away, well, there was this thing called the telephone. But long-distance charges were a nightmare. Remember encyclopedias? Those massive collections of knowledge, usually hopelessly out of date by the time they were printed. We relied on those for answers, and if we couldn't find something, we just shrugged and assumed it didn't exist. Blissful ignorance, those were the days, or weren't they? The internet, it's a magical thing, isn't it? Like electricity, but for information. But how does it actually work? Imagine a vast network of tubes, like plumbing for data. These tubes are cables stretching across continents, under oceans, even into space. Data, chopped into tiny packets, zips through these tubes at lightning speed. These packets are like digital postcards addressed to specific computers called servers. Servers are like giant libraries, storing websites, emails, cat videos, everything you could ever want to see online. When you click a link, you're basically requesting a specific postcard from a specific library. It's a complex dance, orchestrated by routers, the traffic controllers of the internet. They make sure your data packets take the most efficient route, like tiny digital postmen with a need for speed. Amazing, isn't it? All this just so you can check the latest memes. Let's say you're craving some quality feline entertainment. You type funny cat videos into your search bar, hit enter, and boom, your screen is flooded with fluffy mayhem. But have you ever stopped to think about the incredible journey that cat video took to reach your screen? Your request, disguised as a data packet, sets off on a wild goose chase through the internet's intricate labyrinth. It might zip across town, hop onto an undersea cable, even hitch a ride on a satellite, all in milliseconds. It might pass through servers in different countries, each playing a part in this digital relay race. Finally, after its whirlwind adventure, the data packet arrives at its destination, the server hosting your beloved cat video. The server then sends a copy of the video back through the maze, following your packet's trail like a digital breadcrumb trail. And voila, your cat video appears, rewarding you for your patience with a symphony of meows and hilarious feline antics. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. Don't worry, it's not all killer robots and sentient toasters yet. Think of AI as giving computers a touch of the old noggin, the ability to learn and solve problems like us humans, except they don't need sleep, coffee, or bathroom breaks. Annoyingly efficient, really. AI is all about algorithms, which are basically sets of instructions for computers. These algorithms allow machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and even make predictions. It's like teaching a dog new tricks, but with less drool and more binary code. The goal of AI: to create machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing faces, or even driving cars. It's a bit like having a digital assistant, except this assistant can process information millions of times faster than you can say, "Siri, what's the meaning of life?" Section 5 AI milestones, from checkers champion to, well, you'll see, AI has come a long way since its early days. In the 1950s, a computer program called Logic Theorist shocked the world by proving mathematical theorems. Then came Deep Blue, the chess-playing program that defeated world champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. Checkmate humanity. Don't worry, we're still ahead in the creativity department, for now. But AI isn't just about beating humans at board games. In 2011, IBM's Watson supercomputer took on the challenge of Jeopardy, a quiz show known for its tricky wordplay and obscure trivia. Watson trounced its human opponents, proving that AI could handle even the most nuanced language. And who could forget AlphaGo, the AI that mastered the ancient game of Go, known for its complexity and strategic depth. In 2016, AlphaGo defeated world champion Lee Sedol, a feat once considered impossible for machines. It seems AI is always up for a challenge, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 6, AI today, from spam filters to sentient toasters? Probably not. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Those pesky spam emails clogging your inbox? AI filters them out, sparing you from a deluge of dubious offers. That personalized newsfeed on your phone, AI curates it based on your interests, feeding your need for information and cat videos. AI is everywhere, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars navigating busy streets. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, personalize education, even compose music. It's like having an army of invisible helpers, quietly making our lives easier, more efficient, and hopefully more enjoyable. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While AI is undoubtedly powerful, it's still far from achieving true sentience. Those toasters, they are not plotting world domination yet, but hey, at least they can make a mean slice of toast. Section 7, AI and you living in a world of smarter machines. As AI continues its rapid evolution, it's natural to wonder about its impact on our lives. Will robots steal our jobs? Will AI become so intelligent that it decides humans are no longer necessary? These are valid concerns, but let's not succumb to dystopian fantasies just yet. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. It's up to us, the human architects of this technology, to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. We need to have open conversations about the potential risks and rewards of AI, and work together to create a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace its potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, from curing diseases to combating climate change to exploring the vast unknown of space. AI is not the answer to everything, but it's a powerful tool that, in the right hands, can help create a brighter future for all. Section 8. The future of AI flying cars and robot butlers? Maybe, maybe not. Predicting the future is a fool's game, especially when it comes to technology. Remember those flying cars we were promised in the 1950s? We're still waiting, but one thing's for certain. AI will continue to evolve at a breakneck pace, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots assist with surgery, clean our homes, and even write our novels, though hopefully not this one. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique abilities, or AI-powered translators breaking down language barriers and fostering global understanding. The possibilities are as vast as the human imagination itself. But as with any technological revolution, there will be challenges to overcome, ethical dilemmas to navigate, and unforeseen consequences to address. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's a story we're writing together, one line of code at a time. Section 9, the lighter side of AI. When machines try to be funny, let's face it, AI can be a bit serious, all those algorithms and neural networks. But every now and then AI surprises us with its unexpected sense of humor. Take, for example, the AI-generated jokes that are popping up online. They may not always be side-splittingly funny, but they offer a glimpse into the quirky side of artificial intelligence. One AI, when asked to write a joke, came up with this gem. Why was the equal sign so humble? Because it knew that it wasn't less than or greater than anyone else. Corny? Perhaps, but you have to admire the machine's attempt at wordplay. These moments of AI-generated humor remind us that even the most complex technology can have a lighter side. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have AI stand-up comedians cracking jokes that would make even the most jaded human chuckle. Now that's something to look forward to. Section 10, the importance of staying informed. Because ignorance isn't bliss, it's just, well, ignorance. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's more important than ever to stay informed. We need to understand how this technology works, its potential benefits and risks, and the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. Ignorance may be bliss, but when it comes to AI, knowledge is power. Read books, articles, and blogs, attend conferences and workshops, engage in thoughtful discussions with friends, family, and colleagues. The more we understand about AI, the better equipped we'll be to shape its future in a way that benefits all of humanity. AI is not something to be feared or ignored. It's a powerful tool that, in the right hands, can help create a brighter future for all. Let's embrace the challenge of understanding AI so we can harness its potential for good and ensure that it remains our steadfast ally, not our digital overlord. Section 11. The end, or is it just the beginning? a final thought. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the internet and the wacky world of AI. From cat videos to self-driving cars, from spam filters to sentient toasters, maybe. We've covered it all, but this is just the beginning. The story of AI is still being written, and it's a story we're all a part of. So stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay optimistic. The future of AI is full of possibilities. And with a little bit of wit and a lot of wisdom, we can ensure that it's a future worth looking forward to. And if all else fails, there's always the comfort of cat videos. Because let's face it, even in a world ruled by super intelligent machines, everyone loves a good cat video. Please, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.